Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. Fellow YouTuber Reed over at Manifestation of Imagination dropped a hint in one of his videos that he wanted to see me make another dried bean recipe. So that's what I'm doing here today. I'm making what I call Midwest Hummus, and what that is that's a bean dip with a little olive oil, a little lemon, a little fresh garlic in it. And I serve it with either garlic toast or pita chips or fried corn tortillas. What you do to make this is you start with about 2 pounds of white dry beans, and I got Great Northerns in here. You can also do this with navy beans. I'm going to actually bring these up to a boil and then cover them and let them soak for a little bit, and then I'm going to turn them back on and let them simmer until they're soft, and then I'm going to add my other ingredients into it, and then I'll go over the rest of the recipe with you guys. Stick around. Well, here we are a couple hours later. I simmered the Great Northern beans until they're tender and creamy, just like this right here. The only thing that I put in the beans after they cooked about an hour, I put about 3 or 4 bay leaves in to give them a little flavor. Now I'm going to add my ingredients into this to make my Midwest hummus. I put in canned lemon juice. Canned lemon juice is a good thing to keep in your preps anyway. I got about probably 3 tablespoons there. We're going to put that in. I got about a good half a cup of extra virgin olive oil here, the really good stuff. This, you kind of want to use the really good olive oil for this recipe. It just gives a lot of flavor to your bean dip that we're making here. So we're going to pour all that in. Get that out good. In here we just got salt, pepper, and a little bit of cayenne. It's I'd say a good 1.5 teaspoons of salt, about 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and I'd say about a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne. We're going to put that in. And then here's the main flavoring ingredient. I got about 8 cloves of garlic in there. We're going to put that in. You don't have to do a really good job of chopping your garlic up, because we're actually going to use the stick blender to puree this up. So I'm going to puree this up. I'm going to get this going, and I'm going to show you what the finished product looks like. Well, this is kind of the finished product here after it's been pureed with a stick blender. I'll give you an idea here kind of what the consistency of it is. Just a good bean dip type consistency. You can kind of make this recipe your own. You can add more olive oil to it. You can add more lemon juice to it. You can add more pepper to it if you like it spicy. How I like to plate this up is I like to put it on a plate or in a dish, and then I like to drizzle it with a little bit more olive oil, and I like to put a little paprika on it for color, and then serve it with just pita chips or garlic toast or tortilla chips, whatever your family prefers. But anyway, just another way you can use those dry beans that are in your preps. Kind of made this video for Reed at Manifestation of Imagination, because he dropped a hint for me about dry bean recipes, so there's just another one. Anyway, this is Modern Refugee. I appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys are getting a little information, a little entertainment from my videos. You guys have a great night.